Hi, it's Gwen and Lori from the Click Collective, and we hear from business owners that they are really not proud of their websites.
All the time. It's really important to have a great website too, because you need it as a tool. It's your first impression and you need to represent yourself, and clients should know within 2 seconds who you are and what you do.
Absolutely. And we know business owners, you're super busy, you're trying to run your business, you're managing your social calendar, you may have kids, and so adding a website to your to-do list seems like a huge task.
And you might have a good idea of building a website. You want to do it, you've maybe tried to do it, you've gotten stuck, you're overwhelmed with time, you don't know technology, it was a lot harder than you thought, it doesn't look like you wanted it to, and you get really frustrated.
Yeah, absolutely. So we're here to help with a 4-week masterclass specifically for business owners like you to help you build an optimized website that's going to help bring people, your clients, to your website.
Together, our team has combined over 20 years of experience, and we want to help you build a website that saves you time, helps you avoid making common mistakes that many businesses make, and have a brand new website ready for the new year.
Scroll down to see if you're the right fit for this program and see what else is included, and we hope to see you there.
See you then.